Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do another lab by KillerCoda, and this is about the CKA. It's a lab for the CKA which I'm trying to go after. So we are going to be changing a deployment image. That's what we're going to be doing, or at least that's what they say. Let's see what we get. Let's go ahead and start. So create a deployment name Apache that uses the image HTTPD 2.454 and contains 3 pod replicas, so 3 replica sets. Okay, K for short, right? You can either do kubectl or you can just do K. So I'm just gonna do K because it's faster. Create, and we're going to get a deployment. It's going to be named Apache, and it's going to be using the image of HTTPD. So image equals to this guy right here, and 3 replicas 3. Awesome. Okay, get deployment. Okay, we got 3 over here. We can also do replica sets. We got 3. Awesome. And then we can do the pods. There we go. Everything up and running, looking good, looking beautiful, guys. Let's go and go next, see what we get. Scale the deployment named Apache from 3 replicas to 5. So we got to get 5 replicas now. How do we do that? You do a K, scale the deployment name Apache, right? And what do we want to do? We want to set the replicas up to 5 now. So if we do now a K get deployment, you can see 5 out of 5 now. You can do the replica sets, 5 out of 5, looking good. And if you take a look at the pods as well, you are going to see that we have 5 pods over here. All right, so that is a great. So now they want us to change the image used for the pods in the Apache deployment to HTTPD Alpine. All right, so how do we do that? We do the K set image deploy for deployment, and we name this deployment Apache, and what it's currently using, forgot. Guess we can go back. Yeah, we can go back. It's this guy, so we can copy it. So they want to change the deployment to HTTPD Alpine, so we can just say from here to HTTPD Alpine, which is a smaller one. Error, could not find set image deploy. It could not find HTTPD 2454. Okay, why not? K describe pod. What other pod are you using? Let's say Z. It is using, well, I think we just specify HTTPD instead of the entire thing. Let's go ahead and do what happened here, clear, and instead of putting the whole thing, we just put HTTPD. There you go. Okay, get pod, and if we do a pod Apache, let's say this guy. Nope. Oh, they're all gone now. Okay, pod. All right, so let's just go ahead and pick one right here. And instead of get, I want to do describe. Right, this guy, number 1, and then I just want to grab for the image and see what it is. HTTPD Alpine. Great. So let's see what's next. Oh, well done. You solved this challenge. Really good. KillerCoda. I really like practicing with KillerCoda because practice makes perfect, guys. If you practice, you will get better. And yep, these are for this video, guys. Thank you for watching again. And hey, can you do something that is free? Free. Go ahead and hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. It's actually free. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.